Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be changing the air vents in this Renault Clio Mk2. So let's get to it. There you go. As you can see, this one's cracked and this one's got a small crack in it as well. I don't know who's done it, but yeah, we're just going to have to replace them. Fairly inexpensive on Amazon, and I will put an affiliate link in there so you can purchase them yourself. It will give me a small commission, but it costs you no extra. So the pack contains 2. So there it is. We just need to depress these side bits in on each side on that. So we're going to put a little trim tool in there and one in there just to pry it out. These trim tools are good because they don't actually scratch the plastic. You might need a slightly thinner one. There you go, got the new one in position. Perfect. Should be able to rotate in a minute. So this other side one, I literally moved, it's just disintegrated, so that's made that one a little bit easier. So you need this little circle bit here to go into that little circle bit there. I do have a playlist in the comments for all things maintenance on this Mark II Clio. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got any questions, whack them in the comments and I'll soon to answer.